Hello friends, it's Ernie from Kitchen Tumblers, and today we are going to be unboxing some glitter that I purchased from a glitter shop called The Glitter Doctor. And I am super excited to open this up because this is a black owned glitter company and I was too thrilled to have found them. So I purchased a couple of items. I purchased 2 of their kits just to see what it looks like. Our next video that I will be filming will be with these molds. So since I don't know what's in this box, it's a possibility that we will be using this glitter for these molds, but I want to give you guys a heads up so that if you want to go ahead and purchase the glitter and these molds, you can go ahead and get that ordered because I'll be filming that video next. Alright, so here we go. We're unboxing the Glitter Doctor glitter. I think this is the bottom, so I'm going to flip this over. So, pink Moscato. Use at your discretion. For refills and sales, catch us online. So the prescription is for 1 ounce of pink Moscato. And as you can see, these are all of their ways to contact. That pink Moscato is very pretty. Prescription bottles. Oh my goodness. Would you look at that? This is so cute. This is only 1 ounce? This seems like a lot of glitter. So this one is called Althena. I'm obsessed with the packaging. Ooh. This one is called Mermaid Sparkle. And this is a chunky glitter. It's a chunky fine mix. Look at all this glitter, guys. This one is called Fairy Sparkle. And it comes in, look babe, prescription bottles. Isn't that cool?
What's that for?
This is glitter.
Oh, they put it in the prescription bottle.
Yes,
Smart.
it's the Glitter Doctor. Alright, so now we've got Fairy Sparkle. Ooh, that's pretty. I really can't get over these bottles. Oh my gosh. Like, as a nurse, this is truly hilarious and I love it. All right, so that was Fairy Sparkle and this one is called Diamond Volcano. Oh yeah, this is nice. Okay, so good. This is an exclusive fine glitter. This is just an exclusive glitter. Let's see. This is an exclusive glitter. This is an exclusive glitter. I don't know what that means just yet. I don't know if that means that they're only in the kits that I purchased or if they're exclusive only to the Glitter Doctor. So I'm not sure. We'll have to check that out. This one is called Tropical Owl, and it is a chunky mix glitter. Ooh, that is pretty. Ooh, ooh, ooh. That's gorgeous. Yes, I will definitely be using this. That is so pretty. Okay, so like when we do the mold, also try to get you some dried flowers, because I can totally see like using this together in the mold. So yeah, I'll see if I can link this down below, but I'll definitely link them. And like I said, I purchased their glitter, so I don't know that I have I'll have to check and see, because I just bought kits. I didn't buy like individual glitters. I bought the kits, so I don't know if this is just specific to the kit, but hopefully this is something you can get so that you can get it for this mold that we'll be doing in the next video. Okay, this one is called this is called Strawberry Letter, and it is an extra fine glitter. Oh, that is pretty. Yes, and you can see those notes of strawberry in there. I love it. And y'all, it didn't come with glitter at the bottom. That's just for me opening it up and testing them out. So that's me. Let's see. This one is called Zeus, and it is 1 ounce of an exclusive chunky glitter. Wow, that's pretty. All right, Pixie Sparkle. Oh my gosh. Look at how pretty that is. That's gorgeous. And I can totally see matching that with this blue, or even this blue with the mold. That is very pretty. So yes, we will definitely be using that. Let's see, this one is called Pegasus Sparkle. Ooh, that's a pretty purple. It's a pretty purple mix. It's got some chunky in it, and it's got some fine in there. Very, very nice. I just can't get over these bottles. Oh my gosh. I can totally see mixing that with this for sure. All right, and so the last glitter is Zen, and it is an exclusive glitter. Oh, that's pretty too. Oh my goodness, these are like, I really hope the camera is showing it justice because they are so bright and pretty. Oh my gosh, this is really nice. Like, oh my goodness. How lovely. All right, it looks like it came with 2 mica powders. This one is called Dauntless. And it's kind of like, it looks like a nice gold, shimmery. Very pretty. That's nice. And then we have Lucy, which is my auntie's name. Let's see. It's a blue. That's pretty. Oh my, oh, do y'all see this? Oh my goodness. How beautiful is that? I mean, come on, guys. All right, and it has a mold that says love, perfect for Valentine's Day. And I have never purchased one of these before, so I'm really excited to get this in my package. But it's one of those glitter sifters that you put the glitter in to do your ombres perfectly, I hear. So I'm really excited to try that. So, yay. All right, so I have to give it to the Glitter Doctor for really surprising me. The nurse is ready to get to work, honey, because the packaging of your glitter is completely top-notch. I give this a 10 out of 10. I will be using it in my next video with the mold. So y'all stay tuned for that. Go ahead and purchase your glitters so that you can also make this mold using these wonderful glitters from the Glitter Doctor. All right, hopefully I will have something for you Sunday. If not, it'll be definitely sometime next week, depending on how these molds act, because you know how sometimes they don't cure correctly or they're too wobbly, so we will see. But I will link all of this below and the molds below. Thank you so much for watching, and I will see you next time. Bye. Okay, so also I wanted to read this out because I realized I didn't read it in the very beginning, but it says, "Hi lovely, congratulations. You just won one of our lanyap freebies. We value all of our patients, so please accept this gift as a thank you for being awesome from the Glitter Doctor." And it is the pink Moscato 1 ounce. And I looked up the word lanyap because I didn't know what that was. I didn't even know how to pronounce it, so I looked it up. And it is it's called a little extra. So thank you so much for this little extra. I'm so excited to get started.